Okay, so today we will be repainting the car because there are a lot of scratches at the back, at the rear, and on the right side of it. Okay, so firstly, we will have to clean it with the water, and then after cleaning it with water, we will wipe it clean with dry cloth. Okay, so it's it's essential to clean the car before painting so that the paint will not contaminate with the dirt. Okay, after that, we will cover the portion where we don't want our paint to be contaminated with. So I just use a garbage bag, a plastic cellophane, using a paper tape. So we'll just have to follow the angle and the figure where we wanted to cover it with our garbage bag. Cover it with plastic. Okay, so just follow the curving where so that we will cover the area we don't want to be contaminated with our paint. So later, where did I buy the paint? I bought it from Mr. DIY later on. We'll show you what it looks like. So the paint is silver. We don't have a brilliant silver in Mr. DIY. I search all the Mr. DIY, but I haven't found even in the unit up or Chinese store, I did not find any brilliant silver. The only available color is silver. So why does the Nissanalmera have brilliant silver color? Why do they don't have silver? I mean, a plain silver color. It is because after the silver color being sprayed with a clear coating, it would become brilliant. And if they sprayed it with a shiny shimmering coating, in that way it becomes brilliant. Okay, so it just added an art to the name Brilliant Silver, but the truth is, it is only silver in color. So that's the silver color. Number 36 from Mr. DIY. Okay, color spray paint. Before spraying it, we have to shake it for about less than 2 minutes so that the chemical inside this can would be okay. So we'll have to test it on a surface. So in this case, I use a metal surface and I put it near the Nissan to see if it corresponds with our color. So I think it just looks like the silver from Nissan. Okay, so I was satisfied to use it. So yes, before applying it, we just have to wipe again, clean the surface. As you can see, it has a chrome color because I didn't video the spraying of the chrome color. I'm sorry I didn't video it, because it's because I just tested the chrome color, see if it looks beautiful, but I just realized I need a silver one. I was advised that we need to follow the chrome color. No, the silver color, not a different one, so that will not be stopped by an LTO checkpoint. Okay, in this case, I'm done with the first coating. So this one is the second coating. Okay, so I'm sorry that the way that I sprayed the Almera is very wrong. I did not watch the YouTube video on how to spray the car. First, I didn't check video at all. I just made it on my own. I sprayed it whatever angle I wanted to spray it. But the truth is, the correct way of spraying the any car. This one is the second coating now. is how to spray it. We just have to use a one-way angle. Okay, the one was the third spray, third coating. So I remove all the garbage, the cellophane. Okay, and then I wipe it clean with a dry cloth. Okay, and then later on we will be using a clear coat. In this case, I removed the covering because I didn't thought of clear coating it. Because I have to use the car. There's somewhere that we will be going with my family, so that's why I just videoed how it looks like after the first, second, and third silver coating. There's no clear coating in this case yet. Later on, we will be clear coating it to cover it again. Okay, so that's how it looks like. Okay, we will be using Bosnia number 190 to clear coat. Okay, I didn't show how I cover, so I got lazy this time. I did not cover everything. I'm sorry I didn't show you how I covered this, but I bought 3 clear coating, so I did the first, second, and third coating. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please click the like button. Click also the notification bell icon to get notified. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Bye-bye.